So Sony, as I spoke of before, they actually really did pretty good this year. This is the smaller version. This is the XA2, not the Ultra. And this is actually a pretty comfortable phone to hold. It does have a smaller display, obviously, but this is a win-win for people who really love Sony's phones and you're looking for a good, smooth experience. Now, this doesn't have the dual cameras, but as you can see, it does have the 8.0. And you know, it has a smaller battery than the other one, but still, that's another thing I didn't talk about in the other video. They gave bigger batteries to these devices, so they're supposed to last a lot better with those Snapdragon 630 processors. So I'm pretty excited, you know, to see how these phones turn out, because I'm actually planning on getting the bigger version of this, as long as it's not priced too high. But this smaller version, I just love those silver colors. But one of the guys standing there had a black version here, and this is his personal device. And I thought it was really nice. The NFC, the fingerprint reader is in addition to it now. They had to add the fingerprint reader to make this phone more appealing in the US. And it just would have been wrong if they came out with it again with no fingerprint reader. As you can see, you still get your headphone jack, something that a lot of phones are taking away. So it's your man Jay Will. They got these nice covers here. I had to get some footage of that. The guy was like, "Why are you taking?" I was like, "I got to show this case off." But anyway, stay tuned for more coverage from CES. It's your man Jay Will. Take care.